What happened?
Close the door in my face.
Did I? Please leave the bus. Please leave the bus because I don't feel safe driving with you on board. Thank you.
You closed the door in my face. I told you, now you tell me to leave the bus? Yeah, that's fine.
As I told you, if you have any complaints about that, raise them with TfL and the Mayor of London. As far as I'm concerned, I don't feel driving safe with you on board at the moment. So please leave the bus. I have the video, you can complain to anyone you like. I'm telling you, I did not close the door at your face, so because you're lying...
Listen, I don't have a right to have argument with you.
Okay.
I have appointment, the bus, or the public. I'm telling you, you close the face. I didn't fight with you, I'll be nice with you. If you have a problem, it's not my fault.
I told you, you are lying. Because you're lying...
Don't say you lying. You lying.
Okay, I have it on video. Do you want me to show you?
Do whatever you want.
Do you want me to show you?
I spoke with you nice, I speak with you nice. If you have something here, it's your problem. Okay?
Before you accuse somebody, I'm not driving with you on board. Okay, we're gonna stay here up to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this service is gonna be terminated and the whole bus is gonna be emptied because of that gentleman lying that I closed the door in his face, which I did not.
If you're mad, it's your problem. Don't keep lying.
No, this bus is not going. This bus is gonna terminate here in 2 minutes. Yes, madam. Sorry? It's very likely I will be terminating here and emptying the whole bus. So this bus is not going anywhere with that person on board.